In this video, we are going to learn about fundamental rights, protection against arbitrary arrest, Article 22. Hello friends, welcome to Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Protection against arbitrary arrest, ordinary arrest, informed grounds, lawyer choice, produced before magistrate in 24 hours. It excluding enemy, aliens, detainees. Preventive detention. Preventive detention allowed state security, public order, safeguards, advisory board, approval 3 months, grounds communicated, tried to challenge. Supreme Court. Banka Sneha Sila in the year 2021 must impact public order, not just law and order. Laws. Kof Eposa 1974 and SA 1980, UAPA 1967 amended in 2019. Criticism. Necessary evil, potential misuse. Prohibition of human trafficking. Forced labor, Article 23. Prohibited human trafficking, slavery, prostitution, beggar, force-free services, forced labor, including work below minimum wages, involuntary Asiat case 1982. Law. Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. Exceptions. Compulsory public service, example conscriptions, punishment for crime. Prohibition of child employment, Article 24. Prohibited children less than 14 years in factories, mines, hazardous occupation. Laws. Child Labor Act 1986 amended in 2016 bans less than 14 year in all occupations except family entertainment if education unaffected. Prohibits 14 to 18 in hazardous jobs, cognizable offense. MC Mehta case 1996 says banned child labor in Sivakasi, mandated child labor rehabilitation fund. International. India ratified ILO Convention 138 and 182 in 2017. Freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Article 25. Conscience, profess, practice, propagate. All persons subject to public order, morality, health. Essential practice doctrine, Sirur Mutt 1954. Only integral practices. Protected under review. Sabrimala 2018. Women's entry allowed. Ban not essential violates Article 14, 17, 25. Reviews pending. Anti-conversions. No right to force conversion. And in the Ref Stanislaus 1977 case, adult autonomy upheld Hadia in the year 2018 case. Article 26. Manage religious affairs. Denominations can establish managed institutions on property subject to public order, morality, health. Article 27. No tax for religious promotion. Prohibits taxes for specific religion. Fees allowed for administration. Article 28. Freedom from religious instructions. No instruction is in fully state-funded schools. Optional in state-aided, recognized with consent. Academic study, not religious instruction. Aruna Roy, 2002. Cultural and educational rights. Article 29-30. Article 29. Protection of minority interest. Any citizen groups can conserve distinct language, script, culture, group right. Second is no denial of admission to state-aided institutions based on religion, race, caste, language, individual right. Article 30. Minority educational institutions. Minorities can establish administer institutions. Supreme Court. Minority status state-wise. TMA Pi 2002. Merit for professional colleges. No absolute right to miss administer. Malankara 2007. State can regulate for excellence. SK and traffic 2020. Next page is about AMU. No minority status of AMU. Allahabad High Court in 2005. Supreme Court reservation applicable here. Sorry, SC reservation applicable here. Right to property and saving of laws. Article 31A C 300A. Article 300A constitutional right, not fundamental right. 44th Amendment Act 1978 deprivation only by law. Article 31A protect agrarian reform from Article 14-19 challenges. Article 31B 9th schedule law immune post 1973 laws in 9th schedule subject to basic structure review. IR Kohli in 2007. IR Kohli case. Article 31C protects laws implementing PSP. Article 39B C from Article 14-19 challenges. Judicial review of such laws upheld as basic structure. Case 1 1973. Minerva Mill 1980. Right to constitutional remedies. Article 32. Soul of Constitution. Ambedkar, part of basic structure. Supreme Court power enforce fundamental rights via 5 writs. Habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, quo warranto. Habeas corpus means for unlawful detention, mandamus for command public duty, and prohibition stops lower courts exceeding jurisdiction during proceedings. Certiorari causes lower court decisions after decisions. Quo warranto challenges illegal public office occupation. Scope Supreme Court fundamental rights only. High Court Article 226 plus fundamental rights plus legal rights. PIL allows public spirited action. Public interest litigation is PIL. 8th number is Parliament's power over fundamental rights. Article 33 to 35. Article 33 restrict fundamental rights of armed forces, police, international for discipline. Article 34 indemnifies act during martial law, modified reviewable. Article 35 Parliament's exclusion power to legislate on residence, read for other court. Forces rights, martial law, indemnity, and punishment for Article 17 to 23. Criticism of fundamental rights. Excessive restrictions, reasonable restrictions, curtailable, suspendable, except Article 20, 21 in emergency. Preventive detention in arbitrary. Lack of socio-economic rights. Vague terms, expensive remedies. Rights outside Part 3. Constitutional rights. Article 265 no tax without law. Article 300A property by laws. 301 free trade. Difference justiciable but not directly enforceable by Supreme Court under Article 32. Remedied by High Court. Article 226 or civil suit. So this was the end of the lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment sections. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.